Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a hair salon website with Elementor and on WordPress CMS. Okay, in our previous episode we have designed the stylist page. Now in this video let's design the pricing page. Okay, same layout, we'll copy this, paste it here, change to here, our service packages, pricing plans. Okay, then one thing we can do here, we can insert pricing table, or we insert pricing list. Okay, I think it is better to use pricing table, so let's copy this, paste it here. Okay, we can delete. And let's see, by inserting pricing table. Okay, and here there is bottom padding. We do not need this padding, so remove that padding. Okay, delete this. Sorry. Yeah, I was planning to use this layout column structure by deleting these contents, but I think it would be the same. Yeah, we can delete this, but same work, same trouble. We can sorry, Control Z. Oh, so yeah, here delete this. Okay, by using this skeleton structure, column layout structure, we can save time for making it responsive or adjusting the layout or margins. That's why I go all the troubles for copying and deleting the contents here. Okay, here pricing plan. Okay, and just call it yeah, say hair cutting. Let's call it hair cutting. Hair cutting 1. Yeah, like we did on the home page. Hair cutting 1, description and price and pictures here. No, feature for your this service package, and one thing here, yeah, even though I have insert pricing tables, we have pricing tables, we are not selling it directly online. We are just providing website is providing appointment form, so is link this to appointment page. Or what we can do, let's insert appointment like this. We did not need additional information. Book now. Okay, go to style, footer, background color black. Okay, and ribbon, yeah, can here title ribbon. Okay, disable this. Wait, do not need the ribbon here, just like that. Okay, we can copy this, paste it here. This should be here, coloring, and maybe here we can add ribbon. Style, ribbon, okay, something like this. Okay, then copy this, paste it here. Okay, and here on these columns there seems to be a padding 40 margin. Remove them. Same here. Okay, that's it. And what you can do, you can add decorations or make this little different from others by changing the background colors for this header or this icon list. You can do that. For example, let's try this. Header, background color, let's choose white. Then color black. Subtitle color black. Yeah. Then here pricing, leave it. Okay, pictures, okay, background color black. Picture color white. And padding, yeah, then we can add about 15 to the top, 15 to the bottom, something like this. Then what we can do, yeah, footer, background color, yeah, we can choose something like this. And here background color white, font color black. Okay, and maybe if you want to highlight this only, yeah, you can leave the same header here like this. Yeah, you can try different styles to make it different, unique. Or here, if you want to add more, you can also try other border colors. But yeah, since I have choose black and white color schemes, styling borders and all are limited. We cannot use much of a color gradients and all. Okay, leave this. And here go to section setting, layout, vertical, middle. Okay. Oh, here, because of this different height, yeah, there is this I think I do not like this. So what we can do, but we can align bottom. Still there, space between, space around, there is still there. This is happening because we set the background border shadow on the column itself, not on the widgets. Yeah, if you want this these white portions, then leave it default. If you want to remove this, then what we can do, go to this columns, let's remove this border effects, box shadow, border, remove this. Okay, same here, style, border, box shadow, remove this. Okay, okay, so that's like that. Okay, now it has box shadow, but others do not, and it has a larger size or higher height, so it is highlighted. This is the most popular package or feature package, something like that. And okay, then here we can copy the appointment booking form or appointment section. Okay, copy this appointment bookings forms and paste it here, and go to this section setting, advanced, and give a title, section ID, appointment. Update it. So when someone click on this, you will navigate to this appointment form. Yeah, okay, like that. And yeah, let's see how it looks on mobile screen. Here it works fine, same here. Yeah, since we copied the layout column skeleton from other previously designed sections, so it works fine on mobile screen. We do not need to adjust it. Let's see how it responds on tablet. Yeah, same here too. It's okay. Okay, that's it for this episode, and I hope you learned something new, or you get inspired, and I hope this is much helpful for those WordPress beginners or Elementor beginners. And yeah, if you have any questions or feedbacks, please don't hesitate to contact me through WhatsApp or Facebook. Yeah, the links are on the on this YouTube channel. Okay, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.